Super heavyweight.
Hers is big, isn't it?
Super heavyweight.
There we go. Now, Isabel, what's yours called? What did you call yours? Isabel, what's your name? What's the name of this? It's Bird. Okay. All right. You ready to test it?
It's like a big ship.
Is it more stable? Okay. Should I pull this? I'm going to test this side, okay? Ready? There. Now, Isabel, what makes yours more stable? What makes it more stable? What did you do to it to make it stronger, more stable? No, don't know? Well, you did a good job anyhow. Thank you, Isabel. We're going to put it right here. And we have one more.
Hannah.
We have Hannah's. Hannah, can you bring yours over?